We have just gotten our first look at the Google Pixel 9a, and trust me, it is not what we expected. There is a lot to talk about: the design, the specs, and an even earlier launch date than we anticipated. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive right into it. Alright, it has not been long since the Pixel 9 launched, and already we have the budget-friendly Pixel 9 on our radar. And guess what? Not only has it arrived way earlier than anyone thought, but the design is different, in a surprising way. It is not just a mini Pixel 9, it has got its own sleek vibe. You might think budget phone, but wait till you see how clean it looks. Now, of course, as with any A-series Pixel, the specs will be toned down a bit from the Pixel 9. But the design, wow, it is slightly wider and shorter, yet thinner than the Pixel 9. The Pixel 9 is rocking a 6.2-inch display, 120Hz refresh rate, and Full HD Plus resolution. Yes, the bezels are a bit thicker, but come on, for a budget phone, this is solid. And here is the kicker: powering this baby is Google's Tensor G4 chipset, with 8GB of RAM and storage options starting at 128GB, going up to 256GB. And for all you camera lovers out there, yep, dual camera setup on the rear in this gorgeous slimline module. The camera specs aren't 100% confirmed yet, but we could be seeing a 64MP main camera and 13MP ultra-wide. And as always, Google's software magic is going to make your photos pop. But the big news: the Pixel 9 is launching with Android 15 out of the box. That's right, it has got the latest software at launch, something the standard Pixel 9 did not do. Okay, let's talk about the design leaks. Some live photos have surfaced from a random Facebook post, and yeah, they look a little suspicious. They might even be dummy models. But here's the plot twist: the original post got deleted, which could mean one of two things: either it was fake, or Google found out, and they shut it down. Oh, the suspense is real. And just to clear things up, some of the visuals I'm about to show you are 3D renders I made based on all the leaked info. These are not official images, but they are super close to what we might see in March. And wow, that camera module on the back, it looks sharp. I'm loving the more compact design, and for those of you who are into AI and photography, this phone is going to be your new best friend. Now, here is another big surprise: the Pixel 9a's launch is coming much sooner than anyone expected. Traditionally, the A-series launches in May, right? But not this time. Google is pushing the timeline forward, and we are looking at pre-orders in March. That is like, in 5 months. The release will follow just about a week after that, which is crazy considering how soon after the Pixel 9 this is happening. So, if you have been waiting for a more affordable Pixel, mark your calendars, because March 2024 is when you will get your hands on this beauty. And the price: it's expected to start between $500 and $550, a steal for what you are getting. Let's recap the specs. The Pixel 9 features a 6.2-inch flat OLED display with 120Hz, protected by Gorilla Glass videos. You are getting the same stunning display quality as the higher-end models, with 2700 nits of peak brightness, perfect for those sunny days outdoors. On the front, we will likely have a 13MP selfie camera, and on the back, that dual camera setup, with a 64MP primary and 13MP ultra-wide, just like the Pixel 8a. Inside, the Tensor G4 chip is doing all the heavy lifting, and with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you will have no issues with performance. Battery-wise, expect a 4,600 mAh battery, paired with fast charging and wireless charging support. Oh, And let not forget, you will have 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6C, and of course, Android 15 at launch. This phone is packed with features, and at this price, it's going to be hard to beat. So, to all my budget-conscious Android fans out there, the Pixel 9 is looking like the phone to get in 2024. It has got all the essentials, with a sleek design, AI-powered photography, and Google's latest software innovations. What more could you want? And as always, as we get closer to that March launch, there is bound to be a ton of new leaks and info coming out. Hit that subscribe button, because I will be sharing all the juicy details with you as soon as they drop. You want to miss it? Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.